Hello everyone, Edward Sprafkin here. I have two brand new online acrylic painting workshops available through the Scottsdale Artist School. Acrylic 1 will be a 5-session Zoom class meeting on Saturday mornings from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time starting in May. This painting workshop will be fun and explorative for those not yet aware of acrylic's power and potential due to its fast-drying properties. We'll work from a variety of photo references including landscape, still life, and portrait. Acrylic 2 picks up on Wednesday mornings beginning in June and runs for another 5 sessions diving deeper into the acrylic process. We'll introduce specialty mediums to our paints to achieve different desired results. I'll provide weekly demonstrations, live Q&A, and email support throughout the entire course of both workshops. I look forward to helping you master the no-rules modern medium that is acrylic paint. I'll see you in class.